So, good morning, engineering buddies. Another set of engineering tutorials. So, nakatapos tayo. We finished discussing algebra, trigonometry, and now dito na tayo sa next natin. Medyo papunta na tayo sa higher mathematics, no? And this topic is one of the fundamentals then of higher mathematics like calculus. So, dito tayo ngayon sa plane and solid geometry or sa nung nag-aaral pa ako ng college, solid mensuration ang tawag sa kanya. Pero right now, sa first part natin, dito muna tayo sa plane trigonometry. So, in plane trigonometry, we will focus on triangles, quadrilaterals, and other regular polygons, circles, and then applications of the formulas, no? So, yun yung sa plane trigonometry natin. So, sa first part natin, plane trigonometry, and dito muna tayo ulit sa triangle. So, katatapos lang natin mag-triangle sa trigonometry. So, in trigonometry, siya talaga nakafocus sa triangle. But in this plane trigonometry, we will solve areas, yan, angles of triangles, na may formula na tayo dito. Unlike sa trigonometry, we will use cosine law, sine law, no? Naka-focus talaga tayo dun. But right now, may mga certain formulas tayo in finding areas of the triangles. And so, mag-focus tayo dun ngayon. Ayan, sige. So, before we solve problems, here is some of the definitions of terms na magagamit natin, na ma-encounter natin in plane geometry under triangle. So you can pause the video and take a screenshot of the following terms. Sige, I will give you time. Yan, sige. Minsan may in board exam, no, there are certain problems that is objective type. When we say objective type, multiple choice siya. So may mga set of tanong, tapos kung ano yung pipili mo dun sa ano. So, madalas magpa-exam na rin ng ganyan yung si Engineer Dakay, no? But most common objective type problem niya is ngayon sa COSH and sa transportation engineering, construction engineering. So yan, pero malay nyo may mga lumabas pa rin na ganito. And besides that, para alam mo din kung ano pag sinabi ko, pag may given na sa problem na altitude of the triangle. So what is the altitude of the triangle? So ayan siya. Sige. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of the following. Next, definition of terms. Yan. And then some theorems and properties of triangles and other polygons. So makita nyo rin siya dito. You can pause the video and take a screenshot, no? Okay, next. So, tara, next tayo. Yan. Ito yung mga formulas na gagamitin natin for finding the area of the triangle. Ito is, ano to I think it is Heron's formula. Nagkamali lang siguro sa book. Heron's. Then, sa quadrilaterals, yan, magagamit na gamit natin yung mga formulas na to. Actually, here, dito kompleto naman dito sa book na to, no? Kasi nakalagay naman dyan kung ano ba yung S, semi-perimeter, ano ba yung side A, B, C, D. Yan, nakalagay naman dyan lahat. Okay, next. You can pause the video and take a screenshot. Okay. Okay, next. Ito, polygons. Ito, itong baka lumabas to. Ayan, paki-take note na din. The definition of polygons. Kompleto yan, guys. Okay, next. Yan, kabisado. May mga certain formulas pa tayo na I think hindi pa siya nasama dito but we will encounter when and then I will discuss it once na napunta na tayo sa certain scenario na yun. May mga kulang pang formulas dito. Sum of interior angles, sum of exterior angles, number of diagonals, so on din. Okay na guys, so tara, mag-solve na tayo ng unang problem natin under plane geometry, triangles, no? So, the sides of a right triangles have lengths A minus B, A, and A plus B. What is the ratio of A to B if A is greater than B and B could not be equal to 0? So, first things first, let's draw a triangle. So, I think madali na lang to sa inyo kasi nakapag-discuss na tayo ng triangle sa trigonometry. Ayan. Pero dito kasi, ang magkagandahan dito, nakaka-explore tayo kung ano bang gagamitin ko. Concept ba ng plane geometry? Formulas ba ng plane geometry? Or sa trigonometry, no? So, ang A daw is greater than B. So, let's say it is the side A. Then, matik itong hypotenuse, ito siya, A plus B. And then dito siya, A minus B. Bakit yung A yung nilagay natin dyan? Kasi sabi dito, if A is greater than B and B could not be equal to 0. So, yung side A na yung nilagay natin dyan. And then, yun ang given naman sa problem. Sides of a right triangle have lengths A minus B, A, and A plus B. Sige. So, what's the ratio of A to B daw? Ito ang tinatanong sa atin. So, paano gagawin natin dyan? We can use the famous Pythagorean theorem, C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. whereas the C is the hypotenuse, and then A and B are the other two legs. Though the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So, ano ba yung C dito? Yung C natin is A plus B squared is equal to A squared plus, ano ba side B natin? Yung A minus B. So, squared. So, try natin expand. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared is equal to A squared plus A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So, dito pa lang, pwede na tayong mag-cancel out ng mga terms. So, ito maka-cancel automatic. Yung isang A squared makaka-cancel. Ayan, sige. So, kapag check natin, ito na lang natira sa atin, 2AB is equal to A squared minus 2AB. Tama ba? Dahil pag nilipat mo, magiging A squared. Pinagpalit ko na lang siya ng pwesto, guys. 4AB. Okay? Next, ano pang gagawin natin? Dito, alam natin, maka-cancel na to. Itong isang A, tos ito. Tama? Then, ang matitira sa atin, pag dinivide natin both sides by B, A over B is equal to 4. Or 4 over 1. So, kapag kainan natin, 4 is to 1. So, yan ay sagot natin. Okay? So, I believe sa choices, it is letter D. 4 is to 1. So, ganyan lang siya sinosolve, guys. So, tingin nyo, gamit na gamit pa rin talaga ang Pythagorean theorem, no? It is one of the most useful formula in right triangle by Pythagoras. So, Pythagorean theorem. And so, for more engineering tutorials, no? Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. So, marami po tayong problems under plane geometry triangles. So, stay tuned lang. And so, keep learning. Happy watching. So, happy holidays na rin sa atin mga engineers. So, padayon engineers.